in my arms. I promise you, you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful. And you, this time I love you forever. But I am and you forevermore. And now we're starting over again. This time welcome home, my lover, my friend. We were starting over. Text niyo si Magsa, yan yung number niya. Over again. Motivated si Mags eh. May kabit eh. Yay! Magpapa-Jollibee na si Mags. Babay na. Bye-bye.